is a paper clip, some red construction paper. We're going to go with the same minimalist effect we had on the last couple of how-to videos. Alright, so basically you're going to get your finger you want. We'll go middle. You're going to wrap the paper clip tightly around it. You want it to have a good fit. Keep these two facing outwards, so that's where you're going to put your base. Then we're going to take the construction paper and we're going to cut a circle out of it. Nice circle, you want the logo nice and good in there. So now that you got your circle, you're just going to stab it through these two holes, hold it together. Really just get it in there. If you only get one hole, that's fine too. Alright, so that's on there. Alright, so now that you got that, we just got to paste the logo on there. So I'm going to draw the logo. Alright, so we got the logo going. And then we got the logo drawn. It's pretty comic accurate. And then you got your ring. Alright, thank you for your time.